So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can clear your watch history on Facebook. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, you have to search here Facebook and hit the search button. And when the Facebook app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Facebook application by tapping on this little update button right here. If you do not update your Facebook application, you may see different options from me, and this is not gonna work for you. Now after updating Facebook application, you have to open it, and let's clear Facebook watch history. And after that, you have to go to your profile section by tapping on this little profile icon available in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you have to tap on this settings gear available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, it works absolutely the same on both of the devices. So you have to scroll through this page and scroll more, and here under your activity you get an option activity log. So you got to tap on that, and when you are redirected here, you have to scroll to the left through this blue lines options page. And when you scroll more, here you get an option videos searched and videos watched. If you want to clear the history of the videos that you have searched, then you have to go to videos searched. But if you want to just clear the videos that you have watched, tap on videos watched. And now here all the videos that you have watched up to the day will appear up. Now if you want to clear specific video from your history, you have to tap on these three dots available next to that video, and a delete option will appear up. So you got to tap on that, and that video will be removed from your Facebook watch history. And if you want to clear all of the history of your videos, you have to simply tap on clear video watch history and tap on clear, and all of your history will be cleared. As I don't want to clear it, so I'm gonna cancel it. So that's how you clear Facebook watch history. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.